Are you looking to make some extra cash or even start a new career? In this video, we will be discussing various ways to make money and sharing some tips and tricks to help you succeed. 1. Freelancing. One popular way to make money is through freelancing. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media manager, there are countless opportunities to offer your skills and services to clients on a freelance basis. 2. Online surveys and market research. Another easy way to make money is by participating in online surveys and market research studies. Companies are constantly looking for feedback on their products and services, and they are willing to pay for your opinions. 3. Sell products online. If you have a talent for crafting or creating products, consider selling them online through platforms like Etsy or Shopify. 7. Rent out your space. If you have extra space in your home, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. You can also rent out your car, parking space, or other assets to make extra money.